Are you worried of cough? Don't you worry, there are 8 home remedies to stop a bad cough. Number 1 is honey. A teaspoon or 2 of honey may cut mucus production. Honey also kills germs, but remember it can cause botulism, a rare form of food poisoning, in babies. Never give it to any child younger than 1. Number 2 is ginger. Research shows certain purified compounds inside ginger root can relax the muscles that tighten your airways. You can eat ginger raw, or you can mix ground ginger root with honey and stir into hot tea. Number 3 is water. Drinking lots of water not only soothes the scratch of a cough and keeps you hydrated, but it also thins the mucus in your throat. You're less likely to need to clear things out with a cough. Number 4 is steam. Breathing in steam may help with coughing because it calms and moisturizes your airways. You can also add essential oils like peppermint to the water for extra comfort. Number 5 is gargle salt water. A saltwater gargle is usually a sore throat remedy, but it's worth trying for coughs too. The extra moisture can thin mucus and help wash out things that irritate your throat, much like a saline rinse does for the nose. Mix 154 to 12 of salt into 8 ounces of warm water, tip your head back, gargle, and then spit the mixture out. Number 6 is cough drops. Sucking on a cough drop, or even just a hard candy, may wet your throat enough that it puts a short-term damper on cough. Your best bet is cough drops with airway opening menthol. Number 7 is menthol. Menthol, a compound naturally found in peppermint, opens your airways to help you breathe more easily. That means it can also keep coughs at bay. You can find menthol in rubs you spread across your chest, cough drops, and even peppermint tea. Number 8 is onion. Many people start to cry the minute they begin chopping up an onion. But while there isn't any science behind it, some people swear that the strong vapor an onion emits when it's cut helps relieve a cough, says Russell. Before you go to bed, cut an onion into quarters and leave it on a plate on your bedside table or at the foot of the bed. Although using onions may sound like nothing more than an old wives' tale, Russell says it's quite popular in Spain and France.